In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your PayPal for freelancers. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is create a PayPal account. Make sure that it is a business account and not a personal account. What you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up for PayPal, choose business account, click on next, and then you want to complete your profile. So confirm your email, your mobile number, enter your government ID, your details, and many, many more. Then you want to simply go ahead and have your business set up. So tell them about your business as freelance, your category, and your business description as well. Then you want to simply go ahead and get paid by clients. You can simply go ahead and send an invoice to any client by just entering their email, their amount or item or service, and then the amount. Then click on send invoice, and that is about it. You will simply go ahead and receive your payments into your account. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.